Hi, ma'am.
What do you have today?
I have found eggs.
I love eggs.
Okay. Okay, perfect. I broke the what? I broke the what? That's not the plate.
Yeah, you forgot that part.
Where is it?
Is it down there?
I found it! Now, what up?